Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Rhythmix AI music and song maker application. So basically this app you can see here. Simply tap on the open button, then I'll show you exactly how can you use this app. Simply tap here next couple of times, then this is, you can see here, it's not free by the way, and you can see here description. So like you can see description, lyrics and image. So you can see here description, you have to write something here. So I don't have any prompt. If you really have the prompt, or if you have the lyrics, then you can see here. I'm just going to tap inspirations, then they give you the automatic prompt. And style, you have to choose this style. I just choose pop and create song too. Like you can only create one song in free version, and if you want to upgrade your account, then you can use multiple. So create song. So it's really easy and simple, and then you can see here no description entered. So I'm just going to tap here. So it's creating song. You can see here it takes few time, 3 minutes.